Daddy's phone.
You're gonna see how good your face looks.
Ow!
Oh. What are you gonna say for your intro?
Cats are cool. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, we can't be showing those.
You missed. I was like, we're gonna put a cat shirt on you. And she's just like, we are not gonna put a cat shirt on. We're gonna keep this shirt. This shirt is perfect. I said, why? She turns around. She slaps her chest. She's like, cause I'm a star.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's go, Selini.
Here's what we're gonna do. The way is how we're gonna do this. Selena is going to introduce her guest today. Her guest is Slime Master Claudia. Alright?
Yeah.
So when I say action, you say, hello, I'm Selini Beanie. And this is my guest. This is Slime Master Claudia.
Oh, yeah.
Alright? Action.
Hi, I'm Selini.
No, come on, girl. You gotta be a star about it. Let's do this, girl. Come on.
Selena, be like
You
this.
gotta be the catacorn. Be the catacorn.
I'm Selini. This is my guest, Claudia, the slime master.
Hi.
You're gonna pull each item that you have there. You're gonna put it in front of Selini Beanie, and you're gonna explain to us what it is we have.
Okay, so.
Hold on. First of all, time out.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna do Selini Beanie. What are we doing today?
Making slime.
Okay. So, this is the main ingredient to the slime. Glue. And then we have shaving cream. We have shaving cream to make it fluffy. We have
Down my way too.
baking soda for part of the activator.
Right there.
Contact lens solution, another thing for activator. And then we have some little add-ins. We have beads.
Just have
We
to
have
go
foam
here.
beads. And then we
I'll
have,
show it. Oh, these are red.
and then we
These are
have
falling
glitter,
out.
a little bit of glitter.
Yes, and it's pink.
And then we just have these bowls
Yes.
right here.
So you can mix. Ow.
And then we have
Down like
containers.
containers to pick
So.
up to make ice to buy slime in.
Yeah. I forgot the mixing thingies. The knives.
So-
Can you please go get some, Calvin?
This is my brother.
Thank you.
That's my dad, Calvin.
It's your handyman.
Yes, my handyman. And Daddy, show.
We have these.
Show if you the cameraman, okay?
Mm-mm.
Show it.
No.
Show it.
Okay, so the glue, like I said, is the main ingredient.
Yes.
So what we're gonna be doing is we are
Get
going
all this out the way.
um,
Beads are out.
yeah,
so.
we're just gonna move all this out the way.
Nope, my beads.
And what we are going to do is we are going to have our bowls.
Yes,
and
and
then
I
we're
got
gonna
the
have
small one.
our mixing utensils. Okay, so the glue is the main ingredient. This is what we have to have. In order
Yes,
for
you
this
want
to
to put on
work.
me.
Okay.
Can you guys scoot together a little closer? Alright,
Okay.
that's cool.
So,
Wait for me.
okay, so this is going to be hers. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, so it's going to be her slime.
Yes, the biggest.
And then this is going to be
Scoot it over.
my slime.
Oh my god, yours is so little. Mine's a giant.
And
Oh my god, that's enough.
next, since we already have this, if it gets too hard, then we are going to use this a little bit later. And so we just start mixing a little bit to
Yes.
make it a little bit more
Looks like my big.
thinner.
Looks like the the slime master is going to make a big slime. That's too much. Get out of my way, ball.
It really doesn't make much of a difference, but it just gets thinner. And I think we're done with that.
No, I want to keep it on mixing.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Okay.
So
So now
do it.
what we do is we add in shaving cream. Do you want shaving cream?
I combined it.
Do you want shaving cream?
Yes.
Okay. Here you go.
Add it in. Oh my God. That looks like the ice cream.
Eat it.
Don't
No.
eat it.
The cameraman could just like want it.
It looks so delicious.
God, Daddy. So
We just mix it in with this, with the glue.
I am. It's going to be fluffy.
Yes, and it turns out like this really thick, fluffy glue consistency.
Mine's going to be really fluffy. I know it. I know it's going to be fluffy. Hers is going to be not, but mine looks so good.
Okay, so
Okay,
now that we are
this
done,
looks like an ice cream.
we are
pudding.
going to add a little bit of the baking
I really
soda,
want to eat this.
which is part of the activator.
Okay.
Oh, and then I'm just gonna add a little
bit.
bit to hers.
That's a
And then
lot.
add a little bit of mine, and then we're just
So
going to start
I need to hold
mixing.
on to it. The hard part must go to the cameraman. Ooh. I got out of the ball.
It's fine.
We're going to show what I did. Let's show. That's just definitely. Look it. Okay, we got. Okay.
Okay, so now we are done mixing in the baking
No, I
soda.
didn't. I just started mixing.
Okay, keep mixing then. I'm done mixing in the baking
Yes.
soda. So now all we need is contact lens solution.
Am I done?
Yeah, you're done. All I need is contact lens
gooey.
solution, and you
It's
just
gooey.
pour
It looks like a
a
square
little
on
bit
a.
inside.
Why do you want this? Cameraman,
And
why
then
are you
pour a
doing?
little bit of this.
Why are you doing that? Why did you turn it? I don't want that. Your excuse.
Okay. And then it'll start getting
Stop
thicker.
moving!
I'm trying to get in the camera.
Oh my God.
It'll just start getting thicker.
Wait. Here.
Sometimes,
It's turning.
sometimes if it doesn't start making slime, and if it's like watery, then add more baking soda, and then that's when it'll start getting thicker.
Yes.
Like mine is starting to get thicker already.
Yes, the hard parts go to the master because I can't handle it. Okay, I did it another time. Because
Okay,
that's
so
really.
here you go. Put a little bit more.
Okay.
Why do you cover your eyes?
Because I don't want to splash in my eyes.
Makes sense.
I'm adding more.
Cameraman, how's this? You get it
Just
too.
keep mixing.
Fantastic.
Okay.
You gotta ask the slime
hurting.
master. I don't know.
Ow. It's hurting my arm.
Okay, well then that's enough. Tell your guest to make it happen.
Did you help me?
Yeah.
The slime master.
Oh.
Master of slime.
Hey, this is my Dino.
Dang. Okay.
So, you could do another one on this week,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
I could choose because
Maybe on Sundays, Fridays and Sundays.
no, we could do another one on this one. Maybe let's plan escape. Try not go. Try not. Try.
Oh, sticky.
Let's get a challenge to not the living room for 24 hours.
A living room challenge for 24 hours?
Yes.
We already do that.
Well, we can do that. And the cameraman needs to go into after the slime's done.
Whoa, what's happening right now?
That's my slime.
What's happening right now?
So it's forming into slime. I probably took it out way too early. It's
Right.
like very, very runny.
Yes.
But the more you play with it and knead with it, like I'm doing right now, it'll start getting thicker and thicker.
Wait, can I have my phone?
It's really sticky.
Make dough.
Okay, it's gonna get all over your hands.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, so
That's sticky.
it's all over my hands. I'm kind of regretting taking it out like super early. Can you please pour some?
Roll
Selini,
it on the table.
can you please put some of the contact lens solution in it?
Wait, which one is it?
That one.
Put it in the
I
bowl.
pour a little bit. Let's a little bit more. Okay.
I only put little drops.
Okay. So
Oh my god,
it's getting
cameraman.
thicker now,
Yes.
partially because of the contact lens solution.
Yes.
Let's see.
Well, we
This
didn't
out the way.
have beads. The beads are last. The beads are last in ice slime. Cameraman, I knew you were going to drink the beads.
Drink the beads.
Take the bead.
You're about to grab the beads, and when you turned around, you grabbed the water.
Okay.
I was gonna do this with the beads, but then you said last.
Well, I don't wanna. Ooh,
okay.
cameraman. Ooh.
Okay, I think it's a little bit better.
I don't want to put the beads in. I want to put the sparkles
Here you go.
in.
Here
I
you
don't
go,
want
here you
the beads in mine.
It's really sticky though, so
Please will make it look better.
now I'm working on mine.
Don't let it stay in your hands too long.
Make funny voices with the
Oh
slime.
my god.
Make funny slime voices.
Claudia, could you help me?
Yeah, hold
Make
on.
funny slime voices.
I know. Cameraman, do you know how to take care of this?
No, here you go. Cameraman knows nothing.
Okay.
Here you go. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, now I'm mixing it with my hands.
You trying to be a wise guy?
You want me to
Say what you just said.
say what you
I'm
just
repeating
said?
what they said. They're all, cameraman knows nothing.
Look into the camera and say that.
Cameraman knows nothing.
You're grounded.
No, he's not. It's my video.
Okay.
Okay. Stuck in my middle finger. It's in between. Cameraman just did that with the chair.
Let's see what Slime Master Claudia looks like.
It's sticky.
Sticky but fluffy.
Oh my god. Mine's very fluffy than yours. Look at that. Did you hear that, guys? Did you hear that crunchy?
Awesome.
Put it down, stretch it out, and make a bubble.
No. It's going to stick on my mouth.
That looks real slimy over there.
Yes.
I was about to die here.
Coronavirus.
Wait, where did he go? What the heck? Where did this server go? Well,
The
he's
handyman?
gone. The server's gone. Look it.
The
Look.
server.
Look, see? He's gone. So I'm here. Wait, are you coming back, server?
Yeah, he's coming back.
Okay.
Okay,
There's a hair in my slime.
take it out. It's not my
Mommy's.
hair.
It's mommy's.
Dang. Coronavirus.
Oh, stop. I heard that, Calvin.
Demonetized.
Whoa. Dang, you did that.
That one was cool.
That's why she's the slime master.
Oh, I want to put the glitter in now.
You can put the glitter in.
Oh yeah.
I'm not stopping.
I only want the glitter in. It's my channel, so I can do whatever I want.
Put as much glitter as you want.
Then I put the whole entire thing in.
I just said that.
I know that's what Cal did. Oops.
Dang, you ain't good all over the place, girl.
You didn't even get it.
Don't worry, we could get it on the ground. Don't go down.
All this stuff out.
Well, then get it on the ground.
There
Good
goes your
thing.
crybaby dog in the background crying.
Yes, look it. Show them. Show
don't
them.
get
I
some
said
of this
show
stuff
our
right here.
dog. Please not crying, so. Please don't ignore.
He's a good dog.
Yes, he's a good dog. He's a
Kind of.
bulldog.
Kind of.
He pooped in a room.
Okay, so now what she's already doing, she's just adding all the add-ins now. Now that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put in the foam beads.
Well, I don't like the foam beads. I like this. Oh, when we break it, we could actually see how much glitter I put.
Why not the ones I think?
No? Look.
I don't use glitter, so she can use it.
Yes. Oh, okay. Calvin planned this for me.
Calvin is the handyman, which is the server.
Yes.
Wait, what?
You're the handyman that gives us things.
I have foam beads in here,
So, Daddy,
everywhere.
so the cameraman, look.
They're all over the table too, so.
Dang, she just did that.
Calvin,
No problem.
Yeah, I need to be careful. It's going to be sparkly. Wait, is it?
You got glitter all over your head.
You don't put it in one spot. You smear it all over the place. Go like.
And sometimes if you add a little bit too much glitter into just one slime, it can get too hard and it can overpower the slime.
And
So,
then the glitter will win.
so then if that's too much
I
glitter
put
for
in-
her slime, then she's probably gonna have to end up making a small batch of slime to add into that.
I put it,
So, yeah.
So, yeah, the glitter won now because, well, at least,
Looks cool. Looks like good slime.
yes, it's good. It's so pink. It's a light pink now.
I don't think you have to make any more slime now.
Yes, it's still cool. This is the only slime I like. So, let's put in the package. Give me my package now.
Okay, here you go.
Right now. Ooh, it's clean. Open.
Then this
Open
is
up.
mine.
Okay, I don't like yours. I just roasted you.
I'm gonna put it in style.
Die do this.
Master style.
Selena, you're so
Okay, mine's small. Hers is bigger because she put a lot of glue.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
And
keeping
that's
this one.
our slime.
Yes. Have your slime back.
So,
I don't like your slime. Your slime's so plain. Okay, we're gonna play another plan on this. I know we do it every weekend, but
This is literally our first video.
Hours in the living room. And if you come out, you're here too. I'm not going to be out. Be the only one that could get stuff.
What happens if we have to go pee?
Just get a blanket.
Oh, this is gross.
Get a blanket and walk on the ground.
Someone's knocking. See who it is.
I think it's mommy. So let's show it on. Mommy, you're so Mommy,
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We made our own YouTube channel.
You did. Oh my God, it's awesome.
I want to make
So
a YouTube
excited.
channel. I want to make a YouTube channel on your phone. Can I?
Oh,
Can I? A gaming
My
channel?
first endorsement, Dutch Bros.
Hey, cameraman,
Not sponsored.
Cameraman, let's go. Let's go, go, go. So, get all your stuff set for mommy. She could be the free one.
She's gonna be the one cooking and giving us all the little potty bowls for us.
Yes.
She said you could be free because she's doing a 24-hour living room challenge.
Yes, I don't want you to be
And we need someone to cook for us.
Oh, so you're living in the living room for 24 hours?
Yes.
A whole day? You're not
Yeah.
leaving?
They're not leaving.
What happens if you need to go potty?
She said use a blanket.
Yeah, she said use a blanket.
I'm going to entertain myself.
To go like this.
On me.
To go like this.
Do what Yaki did. Just use a blanket. Oh my god.
Puppy, but you're not a puppy anymore.
I'm a cow. You got me a dog. I'm a cat.